November 1, 2023, Women's Tennis Association final competition is underway. The moment when the Tunisian tennis player Ons Jabeur waved the flag of victory in a fierce match. Even when the flag of victory was flying in the country, the face of the tennis star did not show the joy of victory or the joy of achievement. The gallery and the nation are waiting for the tennis star's voice at the inter-competition ceremony. The Tunisian daughter slowly raised her voice, defying all the calculations of the country and the spectators. The whole stadium burst into tears after hearing that faint sound. Some even wept.
The situation in the world doesn't make me happy, so I feel like I'm sorry.
That stuttered female voice, like a command, was a cry for world peace. That cry, which has not been seen or heard in the field of sports or other field in history, echoed all over the world. That echo echoed in Mustafa, an avaricious artist from the small village of Matul on the Kerala coast of India. A beautiful painting appeared on the canvas of the artist Mustafa's mind to give to the Tunisian beauty who cried for world peace. Mustafa, who had been working on the painting message to present to the UAE royal family for the past 3 years, put those canvases aside for the time being. Instead, another 1 meter long canvas was stretched out in front of him. Day and night, he brought life into the painting. So, in a month and a half, that canvas turned into a great painting with a great message for humanity. But every effort made by Mustafa and the well-wishers for 4 months to contact the country of Tunisia was fruitless. Finally contacted the Tunisian embassy in India. Knowing that Mustafa's canvas had a message of world peace, the members of the Tunisian embassy offered encouragement and good wishes and asked him to speedily deliver the painting to the embassy in Delhi. Thus, Mustafa's painting messages and other peace painting messages painted by 10 children were flown to Delhi. The embassy assured through an email message that the members of the embassy in Delhi who receive the painting messages will understand the importance of that great peace message and will take steps to forward the painting's message to the highest authority in Tunisia. Perhaps for the first time in the world history, a message of peace has been sought by a sports star from one country to another. Now let's wait until today Tunisia highlighted those great painting messages that no one else has been seen. We can also be proud of the members of the Tunisian embassy in India who are the bearers of the message of peace. We women also have a lot to be proud of about Mustafa's picture messages for the Tunisian female voice. In Mustafa's canvas of Kerala, the endurance of womanhood and the glory of motherhood stand tall. A woman's voice is also standing tall in the pictures of the UAE royal family, sitting down to present it. Let's wait and see who that female voice is. Mustafa has been working for UAE Films for 3 years, but it was learned from Mustafa that every effort to get those pictures to UAE was unsuccessful. As part of the World Peace message, it was possible to know things directly from Mustafa. For God's sake, I recount.